Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are diving into Clash of Clans and showing you how to start a brand new village from scratch. Whether you are a beginner or just want to start fresh, I've got you covered. Let's jump right in. At first, you have to be on the home screen of your mobile phone. Open your Clash of Clans application. Once the game loads, you will be greeted by brief tutorial. Chief, welcome to your new village. Your guide will show you how to build your first defense, attack goblin, and start collecting resources like gold and elixir. Don't skip the tutorial. It provides essential resources and teaches you the basics. Now you have to know about building your bases, understanding troops and attacks, joining the class community. While building your base, you'll need to focus on upgrading the town hall. It's the heart of your village. Next, build and upgrade resources collector like gold mines and elixir. This will keep your economy running while you focus on attacking and defending. And then you have to keep an eye on your builder count, always have them working on upgrades to progress faster. Congratulations on starting your new Clash of Clans village. With these tips, you are well on your way to becoming a Master Chief. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.